How to fix inventory not tracked on Shopify is a common issue that many store owners face. To resolve this problem, follow these steps. First, check if the inventory tracking is enabled for the product. Go to the products page and select the product that is not tracking inventory. Click the Edit button and scroll down to the Inventory section. Make sure the Track Quantity checkbox is selected. If the Track Quantity checkbox is selected and the product is still not tracking inventory, check if the product has variance. If the product has variance, make sure the Track Quantity checkbox is selected for each variant. Another possible reason for inventory not tracking is that the product is not set to be a physical product. Only physical products can have inventory tracking enabled. To set a product as a physical product, go to the product page and click the Edit button. Scroll down to the Product Type section and select Physical Product. It is also possible that the inventory tracking is not working due to a third-party app. Some third-party apps can interfere with the inventory tracking feature. Try disabling all third-party apps and check if the inventory tracking is working. If it is working, then enable the apps one by one to find out which app is causing the problem. Finally, check the SKU of the product. If the SKU of the product is not unique, it can cause problems with inventory tracking. Make sure the SKU of each product is unique. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the inventory not tracked issue on your Shopify store. Remember to always check the Track Quantity checkbox, product type, and SKU of the product to ensure that the inventory tracking is working correctly. Regularly checking these settings can help prevent inventory tracking issues in the future.